Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you this really cool tool for teachers. It's called Class Dojo. I think it's a really cool tool for teachers to use to allow the teacher to communicate with her students and for parents to stay involved with what's going on within the classroom. I think this is a really cool tool because it gives students a way to feel proud of what they're doing. The students are able to view their grades. The teacher can upload photos of stuff that they had done in class, things that they did really well. She's able to, you can see if you look right here, it says give a digital high five. The teacher is able to send positive feedback to the students so that way they're able to feel good about what they're doing. Another really cool thing about this tool is students are able to post photos and videos of classwork as well on this site. So I think that's cool for for students. The other thing I thought that's really cool about this tool is it gives teachers an opportunity to communicate with parents. And I think one of the coolest parts about this is actually right here. It says any language, any device. I thought this was super cool because it allows teachers a way to communicate with their students' parents, even if they don't speak the same language. So all the parent has to do is change the language of the app and then it translates for them. So this just allows a lot more parent involvement. And I think a lot of times when there's a language barrier, a lot of times kids tend to not do as well because the parents are not as involved. So I thought that was like a really cool bonus to this site. I'm going to go ahead and show you. This is kind of just like a brief overview, kind of what I just told you guys about. So it's super easy to navigate through. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys now what it looks like to have a classroom. I went ahead and made a classroom for myself and I just signed in as a teacher. It's super easy and it's free. So what I did, I put one for Education 407, but we're going to go ahead and look at the demo class that they provide for you. So this kind of just gives you a brief, this would be like if these were all the students in the classroom, you're able to see your whole entire class. You can give them positive feedback. Thank you for staying on task. You can tell them what needs work and you can just add your own skills. So you could say something like keep working on those spelling words or whatever feedback you need to give them. You can select someone individually and then you can give them their individual feedback. You can also click this button right here, group. So if your students are in separate groups, you're able to give each group feedback. The other part, this is stories. So this is kind of like the place where you're going to put, like this is pictures for parents to see, the students to see that a teacher could upload just to show what we did in class today, something that went really well, and it just lets parents feel a little bit more involved. And then you can come over here to messages, and this is where I would be able to have an open communication with the parents. So you're able to just like send them a message, and as you can see here, it's in Spanish, and then the response is in English, and she's able to understand it in Spanish. So I think that is super cool. So that's just a really brief overview of what Class Dojo is, and I think it's super cool. So yeah, thanks guys.